I think the first thing what the retailers need to do is like what hotel industry is done. It's I think you all need to invest in your staff. Most people when they go shopping, whether it's man, woman, children, I think personal attention is so important. To a certain degree, I think also to massage the ego of the person who's spending the money is also important. And I think that is very, very much lacking in India, especially in the malls. Now, when we have these small stores around the corner where we've been going for generations, maybe all of us have been going there with our grandparents, then our parents. I think a certain amount of rapport has been invested with the owner or the owner's son. It makes it so much easier because they know exactly what you want, they know what your pocket, what fits in, and they'll show you what it is. But having said that, I think mall is an experience. It's going to be a destination place. And yes, when it comes to institutions, what we always look at is how do we exit from a loan? The risk is the exit part. All of us know that when you are lending to a retail, one has to have deep pockets and very long gestation period for the money to come back. And I don't think right now the banks and the NBFCs and the HFIs have that kind of money. It's only a Xander or a Capital Land, or if they have other funds that will come in, who will be able to give the money that is required to put up the kind of malls that we require in the country. And also, developers should realize that just building a mall is not going to be sustainable or a success. The whole management, the whole format is different. So I think you should just leave it to the people who are the experts. So it makes it easier even for the institution lenders to give you the money so that what happens is you're assured that the money is going to come back. What I suggest is that really what you should look at is somebody who's an equity player or people who are investors who also have an interest in the project. If they are the kind of people you should tap for further expansions.